color idioms. We did the red color idioms yesterday, and today is yes. By my dress, you must be able to detect. Yes, yes, your guesswork is absolutely right. And the anticipation, yellow, the color of the day, yellow. Colors, colors and colors, they add new vistas to our knowledge. And here are the importance of the colors that we have talked about yesterday. Colors are something which are, adding to sway your thinking, making you more motivated, play very vital role and important role in the world. They are your reactions, they can soothe you, they can comfort you. So it's more relaxing in green rooms, it's more wonderful, a person feels best in the blue gyms, right? And it's just a manner of presentation. It's just your presentation, how you do it, and it will be like death and taxes. You can't avoid them. This is part and parcel of human life. Critics have also viewed it as an overstatement and overly complete interpretation of the color that they have done. And it's very important that it can save the energy consumption. When used in the wrong ways, colors can contribute to global pollution. So why to add to global pollution? We're already facing a lot of problems for that. When we see these colors and we talk about the Vibgyor state, that is the words here talking of practitioners, psychologists, all the color consultants who have also given great importance to color, and they've talked about the warm shades of the color, that is red particularly is the warmer color which we were talked about, where we talked about yesterday, and we talked of blue and green which are more of the cooler shades. Reds are active, exciting. It is not considered as making someone feel settle down, and greens and blues are more as soothing colors, passive colors. If red is active, green and blue is passive. So the cool colors, the bright colors, the red colors, the yellow colors are different colors, and these colors will give us a unique world of colors. You're enjoying. You must have read one or two idioms related to color, but the whole knowledge related to colors, yes, this is something new. This is what you would like to hear of, and this is what we are talking of here for the colors. Let's first talk about the colors that we were saying so. And as I discussed yesterday, we have primary colors, only three, that is red, blue and yellow are considered as primary colors. There is a controversy related to green, so need not worry about it. We will take it as primary, no doubt about it. And then we talk about the secondary colors, green, orange, violet and indigo. So these 7 colors is the rainbow. So make a rainbow of your life with these beautiful colors. These will make you shine in this world. Pastel colors, the light shade colors, pink, mauve, purple, onion colors, pale yellow, strong colors just opposite to pastel, very bright and gaudy. Now if I say she was dressed very loudly, now what does it mean? Very gaudy, it's not appealing to the eyes. It's too much heavily maybe, or too much of lot of makeup or things must have been done. And vivid colors, which are bright, strong colors, scarlet and turquoise. Now the color for today, that is yellow color. Now when I turn to yellow color, see the color idioms that we have for yellow. Have a look at our slide that has been specially prepared for you with lot of paints with yellow color. Now when I say yellow, to be yellow, yellow streak, to become yellow. Now when you become yellow means you, I do write this also, add to this. Now to become yellow is nervous, diffident, lack of confidence. That is yellow. You are lacking the confidence to do things. That is yellow. Nervous, diffident or lack of confidence is to become yellow. Right? He became yellow in the interview. and so he was not selected. To be yellow or yellow streak is covert. This origin has nothing to do with the skin color. It comes from the metaphor yellow belly. Please see the metaphor. Metaphor is a comparison between two things. Yellow belly is a kind of a lizard with yellow belly indigenous to the western US. The metaphorical meaning is a covert. Naturally, when you say he's yellow, so yellow streak or to be yellow is a coward who is not brave enough, coy or shy, reserved person. The common ground between the two is that whenever there is a shuffle, they exist on their bellies as soon as possible. So the simple meaning that you have to remember is to be yellow is coward, or to become yellow is the same, coward or nervous. Yellow card. This red card was a foul, a mistake, a wrong thing that you did, and yellow card is a warning given to you that, see, if you repeat this thing again, you would have to pay the piper. Yes. Yellow pages is used for the section or volume of a telephone directory. See, telephone directory is not much in existence after this world of internet, but still earlier when telephone directories were used and they were printed on yellow paper, they used to have some 5, 10, 20 yellow papers. This was according to the business the people see in the dictionary or in the directory, it's alphabetically, but there were some yellow pages in the directory on the basis of the profession, like you have a list of doctors, professors, lawyers, plumbers. So this will be list on the basis of the profession, the business and the work the people do. That would be yellow pages. Right? Moving on to next, yellow fever. Now when I say yellow fever here, it's an infectious tropical deadly disease which causes the skin to become yellow. That is yellow fever. So it's infectious disease. It causes the skin to become yellow. So naturally it's something which is harmful, detrimental to your health. Yellow generalism is cheap generalism. You know, just canards, if I would use the exact word, canards, or false story. Just to make the stories more interesting, what do the newspaper journalists do? They make it, they add something to it, mirch masala news, that's what we talk about, and they just want to influence the readers by cheaply sensational, unscrupulous method. 5 people died, they make it 50 people died. This was an example. So this is yellow generalism to attract or influence readers. Yellow dog contract is an employer's contract. Now it is considered as illegal, by which an applicant for a job agrees not to be a labor union member while employed. If he is employed, he will not be a part of the labor member. Now it doesn't exist much. Yellow jack is a flag used as a signal of quarantine, right? Away from the people. Quarantine word has become a part and parcel of your dictionary now. It is an edible gold and silver marine jackfish found near Florida and West Indies. This is the second meaning of the word yellow jack. Let's turn to the next of them. Yellow peril is a danger. Peril itself means danger. It's a threat to the Western civilization presented by Asian people, especially those of China or Japan. And it was believed that during 19th and 20th century, in North America, Europe and Australia, this thing happened that is called yellow peril. A danger that is going to endanger the whole species of human beings. Yellow race. Yellow race is the type of those people, the genetic part, the Mongolians, they have said, Mongoloids group of mankind, usually a term of prejudice because this is considered as derogatory of lower standard, lower category, that is yellow race. And the last of this, yellow rain. Yellow rain is used for a toxic rain. See, first thing, this is an artificial rain. This is not the natural rain. It's a rain by chemical. It's a rain which is by highly toxic product. It is rain which is a substance which is found in the Southeast Asia, and it was by a chemical warfare was done by some people, like they drop something from the airplane to the others and it's contaminated and polluted the thing. So this kind of a rain is of course harmful. Anything artificial, playing with nature, can cause great danger, hazard and problem to to the human beings. So that's why yellow rain would be very harmful, right? So let's make up the sentence quickly for the words yellow. As I said that you should not become, it was there are various people who were yellow, that is why they were not, they were defeated, they were vanquished by the enemy. Yellow card was given to him in the game. Yellow pages are not nowadays referred to by the people in this age of internet. Yellow fever can be very hazardous and detrimental to health. Yellow generalism is something which is unscrupulous and bad on the name of generalism. Yellow dog contract no more exists in this world of democracy. Yellow jack is just to indicate that people are more in quarantine state. So it's an indication for quarantine state. And the last of it, there was yellow peril all around. There was yellow peril all around because of the usage and testing of the nuclear weapons. Yellow race is the race that is mixed up for the thing which is in a brain prejudice state, and yellow rain can cause a lot of problems, disease and things, right? So stay tuned more for different colors that will come up. Red we had taken up, yellow we had taken up. We'll be coming with blue and green and the soft colors, the pastel colors, the bright colors, the light colors, the usage of different colors with this background so that no color is left, and so that just a reading, just a skimming in the examination will give you that hold that yes, every color is known to you. So no my students, do not become yellow, but be lively, vivacious and bubbly related to the next series of the color idioms. Thank you for today.